Let's now explore the Excel key features for data analysis. Excel offers a variety of features that make it ideal for data professionals. Here are some of the most important ones. So we shall begin with the basic functions. So with Excel, we can perform calculations using built-in functions. For example, I can use the sum function, and sum basically adds up numbers. Let me give you an example. I can put my cursor down here in cell C12, and here I can basically use equal sign when I'm typing a function, and like we said in the formula bar, we can type in functions. So when I put equal here, I can equally come here and say is equal to sum. Okay, so when you start typing, Excel will give you suggestions. So I want the sum. When I double tap it, now I can input, I want to sum up C2 to C11. So I'll say C2 2, okay, colon C11. After that, I can hit enter. So you can see that now I have 62. This equally, if I select all of them, you can see down here, if I needed some quick statistics, I can see I still have 62. Alternatively, I can choose to delete this and do the same is equal to sum. Sorry, of course, these are some of the errors that you'll get. Open parentheses. Then I can select from C2 and drag and drop until where I want to end, that is C11. And after that, I can hit enter. So you can see I can achieve the same thing. So this is our sum. So another one is the average. Let me call this sum. I can also choose to get the average. So with average, I can do the same. So I can basically say is equal to, you know, the formula bar gives you a better way of working with cells. Average, double tap it. Then I can select from C2, drag until C11. So I can now hit enter. So you can see that our average is 6.2. So the other best function that I can utilize here is the count. So I'll call this count. So I'll basically come here and say is equal to count. Then I can select from here until this point, then I hit enter. So you can see that I have 10 items. So that is how we can use the basic functions.